Since we are small, we have been advised to not drink seawater. This is because human kidneys can only make urine that is less salty than salt water. Therefore, to get rid of all the excess salt taken in by drinking seawater, you have to urinate more water than you drank. Eventually, you die of dehydration even as you become thirstier. But do you know that cats can drink seawater? Drinking seawater would not bring any harmful effects to the cats. They can drink it as much as they want, just like drinking normal water. Cats are able to drink seawater is because of their kidneys. They have highly efficient kidneys. As a matter of fact, the kidneys of the cats are one of the most efficient kidneys in the whole animal kingdom. Their kidneys are efficient enough to filter out the salt and use the desalinated seawater for hydration. Meanwhile, if humans try to do that, we have to use more water in our bodies to desalinate seawater than we're actually drinking. That's why when we try to drink seawater, we end up more dehydrated. So don't worry whenever your cat approaches the sea and try to drink the seawater. Hope you enjoy this video and please do like and subscribe for more content in the future.